Hi students, welcome to Nalla Narasimhareddy Education Society Group of Institutions Integrated Campus accredited by NAC NBA. This is Kameshwari from Department of Civil Engineering. Today's topic, Concept of Sustainable Development. This topic already discussed in previous classes. Just today discuss briefly. It includes preserving the environmental for a better life for ourselves as well as future generation. The main motto of what concept of sustainable development is preserving the environment and give the better life to future generations. And that are sustainable development involve some of the cases that are water resource have to be managed carefully, reduce the erosion, increase the groundwater recharges. Day by day population will be increased, so pollution also increased, so that have to be regulated. Take precautions and reduce the pollutants. Population increase has to be reduced. Pollution of air, water and land has to be arrested. So day by day population will be increased. So pollutants also increase. Pollution of air due to vehicles, and water will be polluted due to industrial waste, and for human beings, and also natural and man-made also water will be polluted. Industrial waste directly pumped through the underground water, and land have to be arrested, and deforestation and desertification has to be minimized. Overall area utilized to crop protection. So increase the vegetation that will help for good health, and also that will give the foods to the our population. Now the next topic is continuation topic of sustainable development. Sustainable forest management. This is the continuation topic of sustainable development. Continuation topic, sustainable forest management. Utilization of forest refers to utilization of forest and its production at a rate that safeguards the biodiversity, productivity and regeneration capacity. For a sustainable utilization of the limited forest resources, a sustainable management is required. Sustainable utilization of limited forest resources means sustainable management is required. The main strategy employed for sustainable management are promote selective cutting of trees. The second one is afforestation, and the third one is disasters like fire, spread of endemics have to be prevented. Forest products must be successfully recycled. The major objectives of sustainable forest is long-term security of the biodiversity, continual supply of forest goods and services to people and industries. The Forest Act of 1980 also helped in sustainable forest management. The sustainable agriculture managements are agriculture practice must be environmental friendly. Implementation of crop rotation, implementation of crop rotation, prevent soil erosion by growing soil binders. Waterlogging must be prevented. So implementation of plantation, rotation of soil, crop rotation, implementation of crop rotation, so reduce the soil erosion, increasing the infiltration capacity, and that roots bounded the soil erosion. It arrests the soils. Shifting to organic fertilizers and biological pest control. And perennial crops must be cultivated. So that is the crop rotation. A few guidelines for sustainable agriculture population in India, that are scientists at agricultural research laboratories like ICAR, DRR must develop disease resistant crop varieties and introduce them for cultivation. Farmers are to be properly guided for better results. Mixed cropping and crop rotation are to be practiced. So we can implementation of mixed cropping. Organic biofertilizers like cow dung, vegetable waste are to be used. For crop protection, we can use this vegetable waste and that also cow dung. Maintaining vegetational cover throughout the year, which helps the reduce soil erosion and fertility. Always in this watershed management, we can talking about vegetable cover, overall area used for vegetable cover. So that will helps to reduction of soil erosion and also salinity. Improve the groundwater recharge and groundwater harvesting by deep irrigation and sprinklers. We can use the sprinklers for crop plantation. And tanks and ponds must be constructed to harvest rainwater. So we can construct the rainwater harvesting pits, tanks, ponds during rainy season. That excess water we can, with a safe velocity, that water will be discharged and reach to the tanks and ponds. That water will be, you can use it for drinking purpose, plantation purpose, domestic purpose, and also use it for crop production. As the primary benefactors of ecosystems, we the humans must focus our efforts to prevent population, appropriate utilization of resource as to minimize waste, habitat protection, conservation of biodiversity. The sustainable lifestyle is effective energy use, efficient transportation, consumption of sustainable foods, choosing organic cloths, use of non-polluting products. So the main motto of sustainable development is some of the characteristics sustainable agri, improve the crop protection, crop rotation, main utilization of perennial crops, implementation of perennial crops must be cultivated, and tanks and ponds must be constructed to harvest rainwater, and also maintaining groundwater implement and maintaining the vegetation cover to decrease the soil erosion, increasing the groundwater recharges, and long-term security of the biodiversity, and continuous supply of forest goods and services to people and industries. This is the main aim of the sustainable forestry management. For sustainable utilization of the limited forest resources, a sustainable management is required. That are following: promote selective cutting of trees. Only some of the trees will be can cut. And afforestation. Disasters like fire have to be prevented. Forest products must be successfully recycled. The need of sustainable development is important. We live in a world of limited water resources and use most of the natural resources, many of which when utilized are retrieved. We need to use these resources wisely. That includes not throwing away products that are reusable or recycled. In order to maintain resource availability, use less energy and landfill spaces. Thank you.